Hello, our group gonna talking about acid rain. Acid rain is caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which reaction with the water in the atmosphere to cause acid rain. Acid rain can happen everywhere, but most happen in the country. There are many industries such as in Eastern Europe from Poland northward into Scandinavia, the eastern third of United States, and southeastern Canada. Other affected areas include the southeastern coast of China and Taiwan.
Acid rain have a serious effect on soil, trees, buildings, and water. Effect to forests dissolve and wash away the nutrients and minerals in the soil, which help the trees to grow. Cause the release of harmful substances such as aluminum into the soil. Wear away the waxy protective coating of leaves, damaging them and preventing them from being able to photosynthesis properly. It is not just trees that are affected by acid rain. Other plants may also suffer. Effects to lakes and rivers. Acid rain can cause damage to fish and other aquatic animals. At pH lower than 5 most fish eggs will not hatch, and lower pH can kill adult fish. Effect to buildings. Acid rain can damage buildings and historic monuments and statues, especially those made of rocks such as limestone and marble that contain large amounts of calcium carbonate. Effect to human health. Acid rain does indirectly affect human health but affect air cause to head and lung problems including asthma and bronchitis.
What can be protect caused from acid rain? Reduce emissions. Find alternative sources of energy and conserving resources. Acid rain can be caused in all seasons if there are rain.